This 4-piece garden tool set is the perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. Designed with a focus on durability and comfort, it includes a hand trowel, transplant trowel, cultivator, and hand rake, covering a broad range of gardening tasks. Each tool is crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant aluminum, ensuring longevity and resilience against tough roots, rocks, and soil. This means you can rely on these tools to withstand the rigors of frequent use without snapping or corroding. One of the standout features of this set is the ergonomic design of the handles. They are equipped with a soft grip that enhances comfort and reduces hand and arm fatigue, making gardening a more enjoyable experience. The anti-slip performance of the handles ensures that you maintain a secure hold even when your hands are sweaty or you're wearing gloves. This thoughtful design detail helps you work more efficiently and comfortably in your garden than if you're searching for a great gift for a gardening enthusiast or someone with a small garden. This set is an excellent choice. Its blend of practicality and thoughtful design makes it a memorable and useful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Additionally, the brand offers reliable customer service with a commitment to addressing any product or service issues promptly. With a focus on customer satisfaction, you can purchase this garden tools set with confidence, knowing that any concerns will be handled with care.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.